Happy New Year, everybody. JB Quick Coach here, and today I'm sending healing energy and love your way. My wish for you is to experience amazing health in 2018. May your deepest desires come true in all of the big 5 areas of your life, which are health, money, relationships, your career or calling, and your connection to something greater than yourself. As you reflect on your direction for 2018, think about your deepest desires. What would you really like to be experiencing this year? Where and how would you like to make lasting change in your life? It takes courage to want something, though. We often think that dreaming about having more betrays our current reality, as if to wish for something different means that we are unappreciative of what we have. So let's do both. I encourage you to honor what is and at the same time embrace what can be. You can hold on to both states at the same time, but still visualize your ultimate goal. Over the past few days, I've been providing you with some successful stop smoking strategies, 12 in total. Smoking is a global issue, and it's my hope that I can assist as many people as possible to release their addiction to tobacco for good. That's why I've created the Breathe Easy Bootcamp as well. It's a way for you to explore your options so you can make informed decisions about how to stop smoking and create your own personalized quit plan. And then because it's your plan, it just works. Today is the last day to become a Breathe Easy Bootcamp member for just $97. I urge you to check it out. Even if you aren't quite ready now, when you are in this program, you will succeed like never before. I would love for each and every one of you to live your best life and to be your best self and to have your best health. Truth is that if you continue to smoke, you might be canceling out all the other positive health choices you are currently making. Give yourself the best possible chance to succeed. So here's a quick summary of the stop smoking strategies again, in case you missed them the first time. It's not too late to review each of them on my Facebook page. And just so you know, it only takes 3 hours to watch all of the videos on the Breathe Easy Bootcamp. Membership ensures you have unlimited access, and you don't have to watch all the videos either. You can just pick and choose the ones that you feel fit best with your course of action. Plus, you will have free access to the Tapping for Cravings video and the Energy Reset meditation. My gift to you for just trusting me to be your quick coach. I'm so convinced that this program works that I've added a money-back guarantee as well. If you're not able to reduce or quit smoking using the methods outlined in the Breathe Easy Bootcamp, I'll refund your money. No questions asked, so you really can't lose. Here are those stop smoking strategies again. Get ready to try something different this time. Number 1 is declare your car smoke-free. Number 2 is draw a line on your cigarette and then just smoke to the line, reducing your smoking almost immediately. Number 3 is make your usual smoking spot less familiar. Number 4 is make smoking unfamiliar. Number 5 is use the 4 Ds, drink water, deep breathing, delay, and distract yourself. Number 6 is make your home tobacco-free. Number 7 is create a decisional balance sheet. Write down all your reasons for quitting. Number 8 is reset your energy for healing using the free meditation video provided on the Breathe Easy Bootcamp. Number 9 is create a survival kit to keep you on track for when you're out and about and might be tempted. Number 10 is identify and tame your triggers. And number 11 is download and use a good stop smoking app. I suggested a few in the video. Number 12, the final one, was 3 rules of relapse, which were never smoke a cigarette you didn't buy, never buy cigarettes in a place you might relapse, and if you buy a pack, smoke the one and then throw the rest away. Cheers to a tobacco-free you, everyone. Breathe easy. Bye-bye.